I'm going to be doing some sod installation. Keep watching the video. I'll show you how I do that. Welcome back. It's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCeiling.com. And on this channel, we do concrete repair, asphalt paving, general contracting, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I've already placed the soil back into place. I've rough raked it out. That was the first step. So I'm just going to use this fine leaf rake or any kind of a fine tooth plastic or metal rake, just to rake along the soil, just to get all of the debris, rocks out. And I'm going to scoop it up and just put that aside before I'm going to start laying out the rolls of sod. Just want to get all the rocks, all the rough stuff. You can see there's a bit of rocks here. And I'm going to do this all throughout the entire installation area. Just get the rough stuff out. So now I'm ready to begin the sod installation. So I have my rolls of sod here, and these were picked up at a local sod farm. I find that the quality of sod is much better than your local store. Not to say that they're not good enough, but these were cut and rolled today, so this is as fresh as it can be. So I'm going to use very good quality sod. So there's a couple tools you're going to need. Good to get some knee pads. You might want a sod roller depending on how much sod you're going to be installing. The client here has one. They're going to be doing that themselves and doing the maintenance after. So right now I'm just going to lay it, install it, and that's my job for today. You're definitely going to want a knife, and the reason is you're going to want to cut the sod. You don't just lay them side by side and all one row. You want the joints to be staggered, just like tiling. So you're going to find your starting point. Now, of course, I'm going to be working this way. So I'm going to put the first roll at my starting point. Then you're going to want to cut the next roll because you want them to be staggered. You don't want the lines to all match up. You want it to be staggered. That way it blends a lot better. So the first thing I'm going to do is just going to put everything aside. I'm going to be starting the first piece right at the sidewalk here. Just going to line it up here. If there's any debris or something like that, just shuffle it out. Okay, like so. Okay, now the next piece, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it about halfway. It doesn't have to be perfect. So that's about halfway here. I'm just going to cut that because we want to stagger it. Okay, you can shuffle the dirt around as you need it to make it level. So the next piece is right here. So now the full piece will go here, and it's automatically, you're just going to go from there, and you're just going to start installing full piece, cut piece, and then you start working your way to the other end. It's much easier, and you can just start rolling them out then. So that's it. The sod is now installed. Now it's very important to make sure that it is watered at least once a day, a really good soaking, so that the sod can root into the soil. So you want to make sure you water that. It's even best if you do that when the sun's not shining, so whether it's early morning or late at night. You can also, if you can do it 2 times a day, that's even better, but at least once every day for at least a week. So that's it. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time. DoItAllCeiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.